Good morning. We are at the Top Cable Ruby's factory to give a brief explanation of the energy savings we obtain with the solar panels installed in our facilities. In 2023, we generated 9 gigawatt-hours of self-consumed energy, which represents 15% of the factory's consumption. In terms of CO2 emissions savings, this amounts to around 1,500 tons per year. We plan to close the year 2024 with 11 gigawatt-hours of photovoltaic energy generation, which will represent 19 to 20% of the total consumption of the Top Cable factory, with a saving of around 1,600 tons of CO2.